Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn a very simple and easy English story called Good Morning. This story will help you improve your reading, speaking, and daily English vocabulary. So, listen carefully, repeat after me, and enjoy the story.
Good morning. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. The old lady wakes up. She stretches and yawns. She gets out of bed. She does the morning exercises. She goes into the bathroom. She washes her face. She comes back to her bedroom. She changes her clothes. She makes the bed. She goes into the kitchen. She prepares breakfast. She has a cup of tea and a piece of cakes. She reads the newspaper. She goes into the bathroom again. She cleans her teeth. She puts on her heavy coat. She kisses her husband, her son, and her dog. Finally, she goes to her work.
Great job! You have just learned a short and simple English picture composition about the old lady's morning routine. Practice reading it again and again to improve your English fluency. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning stories. See you in the next lesson.